Hi everyone, my name is Khaled with KINETIQ, and today I want to talk to you about a topic a lot of people are excited with today, but we work with data leaders all the time who are facing a big challenge, and it is that AI initiatives tend to get stuck because of the data infrastructure underneath them and the investments that people need to make to unlock the power of their data with AI. Now, this is a super common scenario that we've seen where leadership greenlights an AI initiative. Maybe it's something for predictive maintenance, demand forecasting, or some sort of Copilot solution for their teams to leverage. Now, folks will start scoping the solution or the use case. They'll start looking into the data that the AI solution needs to run on, and that's when they'll discover there are data quality issues, there's no lineage or governance in place, and you have multiple conflicting sources of truth. Now, this is a huge challenge because then we find AI projects that get stalled because the data project that needed to happen beforehand needs to be scoped from scratch. It wasn't factored into the engagement. And so what does this delay usually cost organizations? Number one, leadership often loses confidence. That initiative that looked really good in the beginning turns out that there's some work that needs to be done, and that impacts leadership's confidence in making other investments. Number two, the team that was supposed to be focusing on delivering an AI solution is now doing data cleanup. Of course, that means number three, your budget and timeline get reset and you have to rebuild your business case. And finally, number four, other AI initiatives get deprioritized before they start because leadership feels that the first one is stalled. Why would we start to invest in the next ones yet? And that gap between what leadership is expecting from the data and what the platform can actually deliver starts to widen over time. Now, what does it look like to put the right foundations in place to succeed on whatever your AI ambitions are? Well, number one, you want to put in foundations that you can build once and expand upon for whatever you have in mind next. So when you have one place where your governance and you have high quality data all in one location, you can build your models, your analytics, your BI, as well as your AI and agentic solutions on one trusted data set. When you have lineage in one place that you can see where data has come from, what changes have made, and ensure that the quality is in place as well, you can trust the outputs of your AI models and every other piece of analytics that you will get out of your data. You can unify your BI, your machine learning, and your agentic workloads all on one set of infrastructure as opposed to duplicating that effort and building it out multiple times. And you can scope AI initiatives against the data that you have available as opposed to discovering mid-project that you don't have everything you need. So what that looks like is your first project takes some time to build that infrastructure, but the second one can move faster and unlock ROI quicker because you're building on foundations that already exist, not starting from scratch. So what does this look like for folks and where are they today versus where they want to go? A lot of the data leaders we talk to today have situations where an AI initiative actually exposed a data problem. The team is now managing expectations while the real hard work of setting those data foundations needs to be done and scoped from scratch. And where they want to get to is understanding what foundations look like and being able to put those foundations in place, as well as implementing the infrastructure needed for your first project that can be re-leveraged for your second, third, and beyond. And so we work with data leadership to create a blueprint to understand, number one, where are we today with data foundations needed for your most critical AI projects? And number two, identify what is blocking AI readiness today so that we can give you and partner with your team to deliver a blueprint on what initiatives you can start with first and where to get started. So if that's something that's interesting to you or that you're dealing with this issue today, you can get in contact with our team and we'll work with you to figure out where to get started and how to solve this problem.